In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Character AI account. We'll start from the very beginning so you can follow along on any computer or phone. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Character AI, then press Enter. In the results, click the official Character AI website. This takes you to the home page where chats and characters appear. If the site opens and you're already signed in, that's normal. Your browser likely remembered your session. To sign out, look toward the interface for your account controls. On desktop, you'll typically see your profile picture or a circle with your initials near the lower left corner of the screen. On mobile, it may appear at the top or within a menu icon. Go ahead and select your profile to open the account menu. Inside that menu, find the option labeled Logout or Sign Out. Click it once. Some browsers may show a confirmation. If you see one, confirm to proceed. After a moment, the page will refresh, and you'll be returned to the public view of the site, no longer tied to your account. From now on, when you revisit Character AI, you won't be automatically logged in on this device. If you ever need to use your account again, just hit the Sign In button and choose your preferred sign-in method. That's all there is to it. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the profile icon right away, scroll the page a bit or widen your browser window. Responsive layouts can hide icons behind a menu on smaller screens. Also, if multiple people use the same device, logging out after each session helps keep your conversations and settings private. If you have more than one browser installed, remember that logging out in one browser won't affect another. Each keeps its own session. And if you're testing whether the logout worked, open a fresh tab and visit Character AI again. You should see prompts to sign in instead of your chats. That's it. The fastest, cleanest way to log out of Character AI. When a session stays signed in automatically. Pause and replay this walkthrough if you want to follow along in real time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your account privacy and sessions on any device.